Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to bump a message on Messenger. So first of all, launch Messenger application on your mobile devices. Now tap open any conversation you wish to. Now you can simply send a message or scroll up above and then long tap on any of these messages. I'm going to tap on this message. Now, over here at the bottom right corner, you can see the option of More with 3 dots on it. Tap on it. Now on top, you'll see the option of Bump. Tap on it. Now you can see that this message on top has reappeared at the bottom, and you can see you bumped your message tag on top of it. So once you bump your messages on Messenger, the previous messages that you have sent will reappear on top of the chat or feed, so the other person can reread it again. So that's how simply you could bump your messages on Messenger application. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.